Bitcoin made an all-time high. What is up with this altcoins? We're gonna be checking out a few altcoins on Coinbase Pro, see how they're doing, what could be our expectations. Let's dive into that. Of course, if you're new here, consider smacking that subscribe button. Guys, don't forget on the way out to smack that like button. Friendly reminder, this channel does not take paid promotions. I do not accept paid promotions from altcoins or NFTs. I get emails daily about that. If you guys want to support the channel, of course, subscribe. You want extra content, what I'm buying, when I'm buying, definitely consider becoming a member of the Crypto Enthusiast community down below in the Patreon. So find the link down in the description. Up first is Yasmin. So currently we're seeing Yasmin around 21 cents. I just want to hit up some of the information on Yasmin. Like we can see here on Coin Market Cap, we're down about 4% on the daily. Market cap around $1 billion. You may be like, that's a big market cap. Yes, I mean, relatively, it is actually a big market cap, but it is ranked 218 on Coin Market Cap. Kind of weird that's down that low. The whole point though, there's many coins that are over $1 billion market cap on just like in crypto in general, especially on Coinbase. So yes, we did think that this thing had around a $40 million market cap when it first came out, but that was actually false. Unfortunately, it was self-reporting incorrect. Definitely disappointing. Going back in time, we see the all-time high was actually around $4. So very interesting. I'm not convinced we'll see a $4 Yasmin, but I would not be surprised for us to end up seeing $1 or $2 somewhere in that range. So that's what's going on here, guys. Look at the CoinMarketCap chart. Pretty interesting. Even when you go down here to see all-time high, it shows $4.99. So basically that was a nice sale, and it sounds like a good sale you see at a store. Only $4.99, but it's down 95% from all-time high. So that is a drag. But if you guys got in on the Coinbase listing, which guys we talked about right away, so definitely consider smacking that subscribe button. We got it all the way down here, guys. It rallied up. Some nice moves have been made, of course. That's wonderful. Rallied back up, consolidated for a while. Unfortunately, a lot of people, they buy into the FOMO, get caught up here, and then sell down here. You don't want to do that, homie. You want to buy low, sell high, not buy high and sell low. The whole point that we're consolidating back up, had a nice rally up here. Not surprising for us to see us pull back. We actually, though, we have not really tested this 20 MA on the daily at all. We got close. We got pretty close, but we have not actually tested it. So we'll see how that continues breaking out. I can throw some targets out there. If this was the bottom right here, if that was the bottom from top to bottom, we'll see. Of course, if we make a new bottom, then this just changes everything. Keep that in mind. The 1618 is around 42 cents, with the 3618 hitting around 71 cents, and the 5618 around $1. I mean, even though this thing has $1 billion market cap, I still would not be surprised to see something like $1 hit for this thing right here, because currently it'd be about a 5x right there, slightly under a 5x. So would not be surprised to see that at all. And I can actually mark $1 here on the chart with a good old line. We can have that for all the live streams because we're live Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. And bam. So yeah, we'll see when that happens. It's cool though. It, of course, is the friend is your trend. The friend is your best friend until the end. As they like to say, the trend is your friend until the end. So just watch out for that. It's making higher highs, higher lows from a macro perspective. Very nice. It is going parabolic. Just be careful, guys. Don't get married to a coin. There's always other opportunities out there. That's why I want to hit up a DNT District 0x. Let's first hit up some info here. Down 1% on the day. Around $108 million market cap. So this thing is very, very small compared to a Yasmin. We can scroll down here, see all-time high for the record. Let's see what CoinMarketCap says. It says 49 cents. Awesome. Let's go. So about 50 cents. So this thing just needs, about 150%. It should be around all-time high territory. Pretty cool. If we go over here to the chart, guys, we can see with the MAs. So guys, the yellow is the 200. This greener one right here is the 50, and the 20 is down here on the bottom. But at the moment, look at this, guys. At the moment, the 20 looks like it wants to get right back above the 200. So once the 20 gets above the 200 is down. We want to see this 50 continue to curve up, get back above the 200. That right there is called a what? A golden cross. That is very bullish, guys. So hopefully that happens. Hopefully we see that in the next few weeks. That would be very, very bullish. So just keep your eyes out on that, guys. DNT has been one of those movers. We caught this thing last year around October under a penny. So if you were on the channel back then, congratulations. We got in pretty freaking low. Even though it's down at 18 cents, that's still well over an 18xer if you got in below a penny. So that's what I want to see going on there. And we can throw some targets out there, see how things are working out. We definitely have a nice quadruple top right there. It played up there for a while. So let's just go from the swing high to swing low. Let's see what happens there. That wick is kind of crazy. I actually literally sold that wick up there. It's just insane. I can't believe it happened in hindsight. It's just crazy. But the 1618 is 66 cents. 3618 is around $1.36. 5618 is around $2. So of course, guys, we see things get crazy in alt season. Would not be surprised for us to end up hitting 5618s for a bunch of these altcoins. Would not surprise me one bit. Now that doesn't mean we're going to be up there trading there for a while. We could just have a wick. It could just be an intraday candle, right? Like intraday wick right there. So just keep that in mind, guys. But 3618 definitely seems likely, especially with a market cap of around $109 million market cap. Just keep that in mind, guys. So of course, we see some nice targets on there, and we'll go from there. I do understand though, if you look at the Binance chart versus Coinbase chart, there's some different prices, different all-time highs. So I'm just using Coinbase because that's what I personally use. If you're using Binance, I'm sure those price targets might be a little higher because they did have a slightly higher all-time high. Because here on Coinbase, it topped out at around 45 cents. When I know Binance, I think wicked over 50 cents, but it depends where you're trading. Because if you can't use Binance OG, then that doesn't really matter. You have to use whatever's on Coinbase. So just keep that in mind, guys. DNT looking good in my humble opinion. Auction, guys, this is one of those new coins on Coinbase. Relatively recent. I mean, what, the last couple weeks it's been put on there. Has around an $81 million market cap. So it's on the smaller side. It's even smaller than DNT, guys. Like even smaller. Let's see, what is the all-time high? All-time high is around $70. It's down 44% at the moment. Cool. So like this thing, of course, just if it would just hit its all-time high, still has some room to grow. We go back to the Coinbase chart. I mean, there's not that much data here. We've seen a nice pump like usual with a Coinbase listing and a nice dump like usual with a Coinbase listing. Now it is rallying back up, slightly trending up. We'll see if we can continue this trend. That right there would be very, very bullish. So just watch out for that, guys. I mean, it hit 70 cents here. That was obviously, it looks like that was the all-time high with the Coinbase listing. So just watch out for that. Of course, with all these altcoins, you want to look into the fundamentals, look at the TA, and then make a decision based off that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a silly dude on the interwebs. So keep that in mind. But I mean, guys, this is on the lower side. If you're looking strictly at market cap, you would definitely look at the tokenomics. How much are they releasing? How much is out there? Look, guys, look circulating supply, and then look max supply. So you want to be looking at that stuff as well. Up next, though, is the good old ACH. You know, Alchemy Pay. Everybody's like FOMOed into that because it did very, very well in the Coinbase listing. So cool. We can actually see the MAs. We can see them move. As we can see here, though, we do have the 50 looking good right here because the 20 just crossed above. So that's what we want to see. It goes 20, 50, and 200. That's bullish. That's what we want to see. Price action is going up. That's great. Obviously, great, good. So we want to see this bad boy continue going. It has a $344 million market cap. So this one is up 15% at the time of this recording, guys. It is up a little bit. Just keep that in mind. All-time high, according to Coin market cap, is around 19 cents. But on Coinbase, it hit around 25 cents, if I recall correctly. So just keep that in mind. That was with a Coinbase listing. Mega stuff going on right there. So yeah, guys, that's what's going on there. Let's just get some price targets here. Let's see, because it looks like that probably was the bottom at the moment. And this is on the Coinbase chart. No, this is on the Huobi, so this is more of a conservative call. Coinbase would have higher price targets. But I don't want to count the volatility just on Coinbase because that's not reflecting all the other exchanges. So just keep in mind a Coinbase one would actually call for higher price targets. 30 cents is the 1618, 3618 is around 60 cents, and the 5618 is around 91 cents. So, I mean, guys, $1 Alchemy Pay is definitely in the realm of possibilities. It's not the highest market cap coin. It's also not the lowest market cap coin. But we do know when all season hits, we could easily see a 5618 get hit for many, many altcoins. So just keep that in mind, guys, even the 3618. But also keep in mind that it doesn't mean we're going to be playing up here for days. It could just be a wick, or maybe we just close the day up there and then dump like the next day. So just keep that in mind. When you see his targets get hit, you probably want to start taking some money off the table. But like you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys are responsible for DYOR, and you got to do your own research. So just keep that in mind, guys. But that's what's going on there. I do understand the fundamentals, guys. Alchemy Pay's partner with people. We see Yasmin making some moves, and we see that Yasmin might actually get listed on Binance OG. Same thing with Alchemy Pay. There's some rumors about that. So of course, that's great. I know as an American, you can't use Binance OG, so that's obviously an issue. But that adds more liquidity for the pairs, which then could pump the price up because people are FOMOing in. So just watch out for that, guys. That's what I got for today, guys. What do you think? With all those 4 coins, you in any? You not in any? You like, oh, those are trash coins. All those are good coins. Let me know down below. But of course, guys, Bitcoin currently at $66,700. Oh my goodness, is that up prices since we've seen since yesterday? It hasn't gone up, guys. It's cool though. We did top here so far at 68.5, 68.6. That's pretty cool to see, guys. We're in price discovery. We're gonna have pullbacks on the way up. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go down. But as of right now, we're historically just going up. So that's pretty cool. The money printer is going burr, so that right there would definitely help the good old BTCs and the good old altcoins out there. So just keep that in mind, guys. Stay level-headed, and of course, when things are going parabolic, consider taking some money off the table. But that's what I got for today, guys. Definitely consider smacking that subscribe button if you have not already. Smack the like button. It definitely helps out the YouTube algo. Just like you like to pump your own good old altcoin, this right here will pump the good old channel. So I'll see you guys live 7 p.m. Eastern time tonight. And until then, guys, may the gains be with you.